guys in short sleeves? You're crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if y'all can see that. That's crazy. It is way too cold. I mean, it's not like super cold, but it's like in the 50s. Too cold for short sleeves, I'll tell you that much. Oh! Wow! That car is flying up on that guy. Oh my gosh. Oh! Power wheelie! I love how ZX-10 sounds so much, dude. The ZX4RR sounds kind of like a ZX-10, but it's so slow. If they were like faster, that'd be sick. Which I know it's a ZX4, so it doesn't need to be, but I don't know. I don't know how they can make the ZX4 sound like a 10 though, but the 636 doesn't. I wish my bike sounded like a ZX-10. My stunter friend. Wheelie! Trying to shift and it's not working. There we go. Oh! Slanted road. Oh! Running up through this pack kind of scares me, bro, because there's so many people who just swerve. If I'm gonna go fast, I'm gonna do it up at the front. Let's go! What ride is that? Damn, I wish I could see the flames in the day. That would be so cool. Is there a cop up here? Race me, CBR. Go second. Second gear. Jump to second. I don't know if I'm slower or if she just took off faster. Oh! Damn, I guess I lost. I have the directions to the place, so I could just haul ass there and be the first one. Oh boy, I forgot my hoodie is gonna choke the shit out of me. Urgh. That's the only slight problem. I'm gonna just go fast for a second. Whoa. I'm chilling. I'll just wait for the ride to catch up. Pop, baby, pop. Oh, yeah. I wish this check engine light would go away. Get a little video for him. I didn't look for the roller car though, so I have no idea. Oh, this guy's doing a wheelie. Oh! There's Mason. That looks like the end of it, so it's time for me to catch up now. to go through. Oh, that's a big ass bump. I don't know about that one, Chief. Oh. Alright guys, watch out. Here we go. Here's my brake. That was kind of fun. I kind of want to do it again. I can't do a wheelie that fast. Not at 80. Don't worry guys, I'm watching. Yeah, do it! Oh, that power wheelie sounds so cool. I can't power wheelie. I mean, maybe in first gear. I don't know. Oh, is this guy getting a video or are you good, bruh? Oh yeah, he's just getting a video. Just getting a video. It's hard to tell when people are pulled over. You never know. They might have had a problem. I guess it's more common with stunt bikes though that have problems. Oh man, 1000 sounds so cool. I want to get a 1000 just for the sound. Oh! Traffic! Traffic, 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 traffic. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees. Girls, shake it for... Oh! Too slow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake it for the rednecks, rockin' in the honky tonk for the rednecks, rockin' till the break of dawn. Oh, blow out on the Lambo. Or nor. Woo! That shit looks so clean. Oh my gosh. Ah! Yeah, bro, you cannot just like randomly get over in one of these rides. Oh my gosh. I'm redlining! Ow! I'm not even going fast! Go 300, go! I'm so glad I had a 636 to bring to this instead of just the R7. It would not have been very fun on the R7. Was it that? Did I just pass it? No, now it says that it's in a mile. I don't understand this stupid ass GPS with iPhone, bro. They'll like tell you, oh, in 800 feet, just keep going straight. How about you just tell me for the next mile, just keep going straight? They're like, make sure in 800 feet you continue to go straight. Don't take a right in 800 feet. But when you say don't take a right in 800 feet and I'm just looking at the thing and it's like pointing to the right or whatever, I'm like, it looks like I have to take a right in 800 feet. And they're like, no, that's the opposite of what we're trying to take. Like, bruh. It made me take the wrong exit like 3 times when I first started, when they first updated it. I was pissed. Oh, Whataburger! That sounds good right now. 600 feet. Oh, nice, where the cops are. Let's go. I don't know about this one, Chief. Yeah, I'll go to the gas station. Sit far away from them. And also make my plate a little more visible real quick. Alright, if I turn this off for realsies. Did my GoPro just die? Oh, it's making noises like it did. Alright, if I turn this off and whatever, is the check engine light done? Alright, cool. That's what I thought. I thought it was just glitchy from the battery dying. What up, dude? I didn't want to park next to cops.
I saw that, yeah. I don't want to park next to them.
I want to jump that. Oh man.
That's pretty fun.
I feel like I would. I feel like I would bottom out my headers. Oh, the cops are right there though. Oh. Oh yeah. I totally would, but they're right there. Oh. Should I do it anyway?
Huh?
Should I do it anyway?
Honestly, I'll record it if you do.
I'm so far from home though, if it fucks anything up,
yeah.
I'm like so screwed.
Damn.
Yeah.
I live 15 minutes up that way.
Oh, lucky.
I was about to go that way as soon as we're done.
Damn. See, if I land back tire first, it would be fine. Probably. God. That's a bit, like, I don't know if the GoPro can tell. Like, this is like at least a foot. I think it's more than a foot. It's a big jump. If I had the R7, I would do it without a, like, no question. Because I don't think the R7 would be fine. But the 636 is just a little different. But if I get enough speed into it. I want to very bad. I might come back over here and have Mason record it on his phone or something if I do. Because if I'm gonna break shit, I'm at least getting a video of it. But at the same time, it would look mildly pathetic. So I really don't know that it would be worth breaking anything. There he is, right there. Depending on how much this one bottoms out, will decide if I hit it on the 636. But the MT is basically a dirt bike, so it's way more meant for this. How was it? Did it hit anything?
I don't think so. I think it was just the rear tire chirping.
Should I get more air on it? What does it look like? Oh my gosh! That's actually kind of big. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Oh, that's so funny. Oh man, this thing sounds amazing. I need a real exhaust on my R7. Everybody told me I should. I should have listened. I know now though. But also at the time, that was a lot of money. Woo! Yeah. That guy had a mask on his passenger seat. He was like, oh. You want to hit it? No? Should I try it on the 636?
Try. I don't think it'll bottom out. That bike is actually pretty good at being in the air.
Let me see how far it drops with this.
It's that high. I just haven't had one with like a lip.
It doesn't go too far down. You know,
It's not bad.
fuck it. You know, whatever. Last time I said fuck it, I really messed up a bike, so. Eesh. This could either go really wrong or just fine, but it's gonna be a one-take thing. I'm not doing multiple jumps. And I have to get a good... Ooh. Oh my gosh, that slammed hard. Okay, did that hit something? Because that did not feel as good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like look how tall this is. Well, you can see from the video, but this goes you guys don't really know how tall I am that much. Like, oh, that was the sound I guess that I heard. The bad sound was that. Not too bad, man, not too bad. Hey, you want to jump it too, bro? I'll get a video for you. Alright, cool! I'm glad I hit that because I would have wanted to come all the way back to McKinney just to hit it on the R7 if I hadn't. Skirt.